Well, is it dead or is it alive? Been standing here for about 5 minutes, not seen the first bee go in and out. This is going to be a teaching video one way or the other. Number one, you need to check your hives. Number two, we got to find out if they're dead or alive. And number three, just because you don't see bees going in and out, some bees stay home. They've got enough stores. They're good. They don't have to go anywhere. Others are working themselves to death, like this one over here. Just going wide open. I'll get in that one shortly. This is February the 21st. All right, so let's take a quick peek and see what's under the hood. First off, there's my ants. So that tells me immediately, since I've never lost a hive with ants living on top of it over winter, no matter what I see going in and out the front door, well, and I just saw pollen go in. So I definitely know this colony is alive. Yep. They've got sugar, they're not interested in anything else. And again, if you watch the other video, there's this aroma of formic acid, which that's basically what ant venom is. People get grossed out by these ants. I don't. But just a quick tip, you guys need to check your colonies. Like I said, this one's got plenty of stores. Look at all those ants. But they're not bothering the colony. The colony's thriving. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees.